Here's a 2019 INFINITI QX60. Fierce yet versatile, aggressive yet refined, exciting yet luxurious. This is an SUV where it all blends in glorious harmony. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, power tilting steering column, and LED low and high beam headlights. Every inch, every feature, every innovation has been designed to inspire, enhance, and fulfill your potential. INFINITI is you, amplified. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.